Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. Thank you so much for watching today's video, which is about the number one rule of online marketing success. You want to be successful online? Here's what you got to do. So the first thing is understand what people actually care about. Number one rule. If you don't understand what people care about, no one's going to go to your website. No one's going to watch your videos. No one's going to get on a consultation call. No one's going to actually pay for your, coaching or your accounting or whatever you have. No one's going to care. It's a hard truth, but I'm sorry, it's the truth. There are so many different profiles being shot at people, so many different posts, videos. If you are not able to actually understand what they want and then give them actually what they want, you're not going to be able to actually go and get people to watch your videos for a long enough time period until they actually care about you enough to actually give you money. That's the number one rule. I, for me, for example, one of my businesses, it was an accounting firm, right? And inside of that accounting firm, it was so hard because no one cared. I see all these other different people doing this business, and then nobody cares. We're just not able to get any phone calls, right? So we have a great service. We know we're the best. My business partner had been doing accounting for 20 plus years, but we just couldn't get enough people inside the door to actually make it a worth-long business. Fast forward to now, 4.5 years later, I'm in a place where I can actually help people just like that to be able to go get the attention that they deserve, you know. And it's such a great feeling when you actually get to see someone, because I understand what it's like to be in that position of, why is no one actually buying? Why is the phone not ringing? I know I have like a great service and I know that I can help people, but people just don't want to pay me, or people just don't even pick up the phone to talk to me. If that's what you've been searching for, maybe you've been trying to do that for a number of years, but it's just been very, very difficult. I understand exactly what you're going through, and I understand how to fix that and how to start moving you towards the life that I believe you deserve. Now, the fastest way for me to be able to do that is for you to go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's going to be a link in the description below. Inside, it gives you everything you need to step by step start moving forward towards a life and business that you deserve. If that's something that you're searching for and that's something that you want, I recommend you check out the link in the description below. Have a great day. See you later. Talk to you soon. Take it easy.